Y aún nos colega na The Today Show na NBC vuelve pone un show manera ta de espera de nang turaya durante fiesta de Halloween. Aquí nos podrá mirar lo que ha pasado en Meinta durante The Today Show allá na New York.
Coach Maxwell!
Coach Maxwell!
The guys are doing great!
Kick him back!
Coach Maxwell!
Coach Maxwell!
Coach Maxwell! Kick out here.
Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy Eastlake High School's halftime entertainment.
Willie, you ready?
I'm ready, too.
Okay, everybody, welcome to Wayne's World. Here's your host, Wayne Campbell.
Party! Party, hardy.
Yeah.
It's time for Try-Day Friday at 10 o'clock here in my basement. Party! Yeah, I'm here, your most excellent host, Wayne Campbell. And with me, as always, is Garth.
Party on, Wayne.
Party on, Garth. What are you doing for Halloween?
You know what I think we should do?
What?
I think we should dress up as those two most excellent TV hosts,
Yeah.
Kathy Lee and Hody. You know, the ones who drink on TV.
Gnarly.
But you know, the one in particular, the blonde one, she's hot. I mean, if she were president, her name would be Abraham Lincoln.
Shine. They are magically babylicious, Garth.
We're not worthy! We're not worthy!
Now our musical guest, direct from Calumet City, Illinois.
Yeah, the premier show band of the Great Lakes, the music of Juliet Jake and Elwood Blues. Wow! The Blues Brothers!
Coming to you on a dusty road. Good loving, I got a trust load. And when you get it, you got something. So don't worry, cause I'm coming. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. I love Halloween. I get to dress up as all kinds of good things. Last year I was a beautiful beach babe. The year before that I was a macho prince. What should I be this year?
Saturday Night Live.
Sumamente creativo, lo cual conozco liganan di NBC tahasi tour ay ding Halloween.